Ilang araw na hindi ako nakatulog noon dahil iniisip ko sila. Tumuhay sila. Ito, naglalaro ng tatlo. Talagang mahirap isipin, ma'am. Masakit na masakit sa akin. Pero wala akong magawa. Talagang nangyari na talaga.
Rolly Ejercodos can barely speak. He lost all three of his sons, Ryan 7, Kian 6, and JR 4 in the landslide. Heavy monsoon rains transformed Barangay Wawandues Subic into a muddy graveyard. His wife and 3 daughters made it out alive. He says he kept digging, but his boys were not as lucky.
Mga minuto lang po, ma'am. Sa sobrang ano ko siguro, ma'am, lahat ng mabibigat na yun nabuhat ko. Nabuhat ko po. Ngayon nakuha ko po yung panganay ko po, ma'am. Kaso po, ma'am, hindi po talaga nakaligtas po. Si Ryan po. Si Ryan. Kaso po, hindi po talaga siya nakaligtas, ma'am, kasi sa sobrang taas po ng tubig, ma'am, hindi po siya naisugod.
Junar's wife and 2-year-old daughter were rescued. But Junar Itak also lost his 2 boys, Joros and Joshua, who were 12 and 8.
Yun, matagal na may bago na tanggal kasi puro kahoy nakabalagbag sa kanila eh. Nalaganan sila ng kahoy. Si Joshua, may naririnig pa ako na, Papa, Mama, andito ako. Sa tagal nga ng rescue namin dahil puro kahoy, hindi namin mabunot-bunot yung kahoy matigas.
The Kuanan family suffered the same fate. But in their case, no one made it out alive. All 6 members, parents Danilo and Elvira, and their 4 children died. Jovelyn, 19, was supposed to graduate college in March. Daniela died the day before her 12th birthday. Daniel was 8 and Doralyn 5. Elder daughter Donalyn was in Manila when the tragedy happened.
Kasi halos lahat sila nawala. Hindi ako makapagsalita. Speechless po, kumbaga. Niyakap ko po si Papa, tapos yun, sigaw po ako ng sigaw. Tapos yun, wala po ako. Mas late ko na pong tinignan yung kapatid ko.
The tragedy caught everyone by surprise. They all say it happened so fast. This is the spot where the landslide happened. The soil came crashing down from the mountains, crushing the houses standing here and burying the victims. In other parts of Subic, 15 more died from landslides, while 3 drowned and suffered from hypothermia, bringing the total death toll to 30. On Wednesday, 2 days after the rain subsided, Subic Mayor Jay Kong-hoon says relief efforts are underway. He promises to find new homes for landslide victims.
So nag-usap-usap kami kahapon nila Congressman Jeffrey Kong-hoon at saka nila Governor Junip Dane para tulungan natin na makabigyan sila ng permanenteng relokasyon. At the same time, para bigyan natin sila ng tulong pampatayin ng mga bahay. So ine-expect natin na magiging mahirap. Pero siyempre, tulong-tulong na lang tayo. Hindi naman natin pwedeng hayaan na bumalik sila doon. Baka mamaya maulit yung trahedya.
Fathers, mothers, daughters grieving. They say they had no choice but to live by the mountain because they had nowhere to go. Natasha Gutierrez, Rappler, Zambales.